hi guys. Sekarang kita buat proses snoring laser treatment dekat Premier Clinic. So, tengok nanti. Sama Dr. Nigel.
Dr. Nigel.
Yang depannya kamu rasa tidak gerak belakang punya yang soft punya. Yang tu aja senang kolaps, dia senang jantung ke. Apabila dia kolaps, dia jantung, dia menyekatkan kamu punya saluran. Ya, sebabnya laser buat dipakai yang lembut ini supaya dia boleh dia punya skor 2 saja. Nah, ambil dia can take inside from there. I have the boy here. Yeah, he's the man, the boy. Yeah, so now the boy next time is the man. Yeah. So today he has something to do with snoring. Yeah. So snoring is due to few issues. So one of the thing is because overweight in this case. Yeah. So this double chin act as a burden. Yeah, to reduce the airflow. When you sleep, that time is a burden towards your air pipe. So that's why your body, your brain, you send a message to your this soft palate again to open up. So that's why we open up the air pipe is not like this. So in order to get apa?
Rest.
Rest. Kamu belum halfway lagi.